Today I will show you how to add a carousel on Squarespace, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once that's done, I want you to understand that Squarespace offers several built-in ways to add carousel, primarily using gallery sections, image blocks or summary blocks. But in this video, we're going to use gallery sections. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to the left side where we see websites. We click on it. Now on the website, we're going to click on pages. We're going to find the page that we want to add the carousel to. So this is my about page, this is my contacts page, and this is my own page. I want to add the carousel to my contacts page. Now on the contacts page, you see the edit button at the top. You click on that. Now this is where you're going to add the carousel to. Now let's add it on the page content. It says add page content. Now we're going to add section, and we're going to scroll down on this left side here. We're going to scroll down till we see images, and we're gonna click on images, and this is where it gets tricky. Now you see this layout. We're not going to choose this layout. We're going to choose only layouts with galleries. And how do you find layouts with galleries? This is how you find them. Layouts that have this icon at the top. This is what we're going to choose. Now you can choose any of these layouts with this icon at the top. Once we click on it, you see it gives us the images, and this already provides a carousel for us. But if the layout that you chose doesn't provide a carousel, what you're going to do is you're going to come to edit gallery. Here you're going to input the images that you want. So you delete all these ones and you input an image. So you upload an image or you search an image. Now once you're done, you're going to hover over this gallery, and you're going to come to edit section, and here you're going to choose real. So this is what makes it a carousel. If we choose something else, it's not going to make it a carousel. But once we choose real, it's going to make it a carousel. And just like that, we've been able to create a carousel for our page. Once we click on save and we exit the edit, we come here and we click on the buttons, you realize we have a carousel on our page. And that's how you add a carousel on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.